Guys, what are your names?
Twinkle Agarwal.
Suhani Sanghi.
Okay. Guys, you were in which school when you were in 10th?
Carmel Convent Sector 9B.
Even I was in Carmel Convent, Sector 9B, Chennai.
Okay. What is your experience at Triggy Adventure?
Triggy Adventure has motivated me to excel in each and every subject. Each and every teacher is best in their fields, and they provide us various ways and different multiple methods to approach a question, which has helped me a lot in question solving.
One of my elder sister's friend recommended this place, and it's definitely up the hype because my experience has been excellent. The teachers are really great at their subjects. They know how to make difficult concepts easier to grab, and doubt sessions are held regularly. So it really helps us to stay consistent in our studies and to just clear all our doubts and backlogs.
So, which are your favorite subject?
My favorite subject from starting has been maths. After, I felt that in 11th, maybe I would suffer in maths, but Rajat sir has made the concept so easier to grasp and so easy that I feel that maths would continue to be my favorite subject.
Which is your favorite?
For me, science has always been, especially physics has been my favorite subject, and I used to feel that maths is a bit weak, but after coming to Trigya, I feel that there is definitely an improvement, and I hope it stays that way. Experience has been great with the teachers.
So, what do you like about Triggy apart from teaching?
The teachers in Trigya motivate us to not only solely focus on studies, but also they usually take us for an outdoor, like playing football or having a walk at Sukna Lake. So these things prevent us from getting burnout in this competitive environment of gym.
I think the main reason why we chose Trigya, and one of the best things that I like here, is the stability of the teachers. Unlike other institutes where teachers are usually shuffled over the course of the year, and due to which students lag because there is a change in the style of teaching, here the teachers are running the institute. It's their institute, so they are here for us throughout this journey. They keep motivating us even if we score a bit less. They always inspire us to just keep moving forward, to not give up, and just keep working hard.
So we highly recommend Triggy Adventure for someone who is willing to perform well and crack JEE with utmost dedication and hard work.